Hi, today we're going to learn evaluation of functions. So, let us first know what evaluate means. So, when we say evaluate or evaluating a function, this simply means we replace or we substitute the variable of the function with a value from the function's domain. In this case, domain refers to x. So let's have some examples. Now, for example, we are given f of x equals x plus 5. Then we will find first f of 3. Then we'll find f of negative 7. Next, we will find f of a. And last, we will find f of a plus 1. Okay, again, f of x equals x plus 5. We're going to find f of 3, f of negative 7, f of a, and f of a plus 1. Let's start off with finding f of 3. So, we have f of x equals x plus 5. And we're going to find f of 3. Okay, so again, substituting or evaluating the function, we will replace x with 3. So f of 3 means we substitute x with 3. So here we also substitute x with 3, then copy plus 5. Then we simplify the function. F of 3 equals 3 plus 5, that will be equal to 8. Therefore, f of 3 is equal to 8. Okay, so let's move to the next example. F of x equals x plus 5. And we're going to find f of negative 7. So, again, f of negative 7 means we replace x with negative 7. So we replace x with negative 7, then copy plus 5. Then we simplify. Negative 7 plus 5 is negative 2. That would mean f of negative 7 is negative 2. Next, we have again f of x equals x plus 5. Then we're going to find f of a. This simply means we substitute x with a. So substitute x with a. That's a plus 5. We can no longer simplify this. Thus, our answer is a plus 5. And the last one, we have f of x equals x plus 5. And we're going to find f of a plus 1. Okay, so f of a plus 1 means we substitute x with a plus 1. So x will be substituted by a plus 1. Okay, then we copy plus 5. So simplify. So we can further simplify 1 plus 5. So we copy a. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. So that's a plus 6. Did you get it?